Hi, my name is Sebastián Molina Jaña. I am 21 years old. I am the new graphic designer. I worked at BQR company for 2 years before joining this company. My cell phone number is 96665212. My email address is semamolina2550gmail.com. Hello, you want to rent a house near the beach that has 2 rooms with ocean view with garden and roommate. My contact number is 555-66212. My email address is semamolina2550gmail.com. I usually go to the supermarket at 11 in the morning. I go alone. I go to the Jumbo to buy the thing of the month. My shopping list is rice, apple, milk, avocado, noodles, bread, cheese, and I pay in the cash.